Hi, so let's get started with another informative video, which is very common impersonation. Okay, cheating on Instagram and Facebook. Someone else created an account using your photo, your information, name, then your content, videos, text, images, whatever content they uploaded. And they are impersonating you. Okay, but someone else created. In this case, which option to select? And don't skip. Also, I will walk you through step by step. Okay, so first of all, let's get started with this Instagram. I will add this form link in the description. You can check it out. So first option you select if this is you or your friend. Okay, and you select second option if your son, daughter. So let's take an example. You are the victim. Okay, you are your friend. So you select the first option, then yes, I am being impersonated, then full name, this is your name. Okay, your mail ID, and then you have to add your this one mail ID you add. Okay, next username. Okay, username of the person being impersonated. So this is the username, means your profile username only you add, and then full name listed on the account. Okay, so full name you need to add over here, which is you will find this name actually in bio section or next to profile picture. Okay, on the account. Then username of the reported account. Okay, you enter this one, username of the reported account. Okay, and threads username of the reported account. Okay, so this information you add. Now so you need to upload one photo ID, and because this is needed to prevent scams and any fraud. Okay, so anyone, otherwise if they will not, Instagram will not any ID of the reporter. Okay, so anyone can misuse this platform. Okay, so to prevent this, it is asking a photo ID. Okay, so you upload ID. If it has multiple pages, you upload all pages. Okay, now let me show you the list, accepted IDs list. So photo, you can send us 2 different items. Okay, from either group 1 or group 2, right? So in group, they will store it for 30 days. Okay, they have clearly mentioned, and it will be completely safe and secured notes. Okay, and after 30 days it will be deleted from the system, right? Understood this? So not only IDs, with your photo also. Okay, if you are the victim, then you take the photo holding the ID, or if you are authorized, then the photo of the victim, okay, with their ID you upload as JPG file. Now if you have any additional info, bio means description, you can add in this section. Okay, and then hit send. Okay, now let me tell you this second option. If your child team, okay, of impersonation, then full name, mail ID, relationship, you enter relationship, full name of the person being impersonated. Okay, means your, for example, your child. Okay, so your child full name you add, relationship, mother or father. Okay, then you have this Instagram username of the person. Okay, so your child's Instagram username, the thread username of the person being impersonated. Okay, so you enter it here, then full name listed you will find next to profile picture, username of the reported account, threads of the reported account. Okay, same thing, you upload a photo and then send. Now let's move to Facebook. Here friend, you check this. Okay, then yes, if you have Facebook account, then learn how to take action. Okay, pretending to be you. Okay, then you will find this reporter profile. So first go to that impersonating profile. If you can't find, search this. Okay, then click these 3 dot options, then report profile and follow the prompts. Okay, and if it is a page related, then you just visit that page, click the options report page. Okay, and follow the prompts. Okay, and report without an account, then you need to fill contact from. Okay, let me open. Also, no, I don't have. So now you need, if you don't have any Facebook account, then you select no. And is this account impersonating you? Yes, I am the person being impersonated. No, but I am the authorized representative of the person being impersonated. Okay, next, your full name, then contact email ID, imposter profile. Okay, then email address of mobile number listed on the contact details. Okay, then upload IDs as I told you. Okay, and link to the imposter profile. Okay, URL or link to the imposter profile, you enter the URL. Okay, and description, you definitely add some description. Okay, then you send it, and don't forget to upload JPG version of your ID. Okay, means the victims ID with face photo. Okay, so 30 days, after 30 days it will be deleted and it will be stored securely. Okay, no worries. So I hope you understood this video. Please like this, it will motivate us to create informative videos like this. Subscribe our channel, link will be there in the description. Take care, bye bye.